Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video, we have a smartphone from Samsung. I will show the official specifications of Samsung Galaxy Tab 7. So at the beginning, I want to say please subscribe to my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of Tab. The Tab has network mode of GSM, SSPA, LTE, and the Tab has memory space of 128GB with 6GB of RAM, 256GB with 8GB of RAM, 512GB with 8GB of RAM. The Tab is coming with two colors, and the two colors are Mastric Black and Mastric Bronze, Mastric Silver, and USB have micro USB 3.2, which is Type-C 1.0 reversible connector and magnetic connector. Display has LTPS IPS LCD capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors. Display size is 11.0 inches, 83.6% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the Tab is 9.99 into 6 into 5.1 into 0.25 inches. The Tab will weigh 498 gram Wi-Fi and 500 gram LTE. Tab has Android 10 operating system and chipset with Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 856, which is used in Samsung's high-range set. The CPU is getting octa-core, 1 into 3.09 GHz Cairo 585 and 3 into 2.42 GHz Cairo 585 and 4 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 585. Here you can get the sensor, fingerprint, side module, more accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and the battery is lithium polymer 8000 mAh, non-removable, and yes, charging has the fast charging 45 watt. In this Tab, you will get Nano SIM. There is a loudspeaker for sound but no 3.5 mm jack for audio output. You get the main camera dual, 13 megapixel flash 2.0 27mm wide, and second one 5 megapixel flash 2.2 ultra wide. Video type facility at a maximum of 4K 30 frame rate per second, and get a selfie camera single 8 megapixel with flash 2.0. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Galaxy Tab S7 model. those who like the tab and can take it without waiting to buy a good tab from Samsung.